It is raining heavily today. It is raining heavily today. The weather is very pleasant. The weather is very pleasant. Please take an umbrella with you. Please take an umbrella with you. Don't forget your raincoat. Don't forget your raincoat. The roads are wet and slippery. The roads are wet and slippery. I got wet in the rain. I got wet in the rain. The rain started suddenly. The rain started suddenly. It has been raining since morning. It has been raining since morning. The sky is full of dark clouds. The sky is full of dark clouds. I love the sound of rain. I love the sound of rain. Let's stay indoors today. Let's stay indoors today. The children are playing in the rain. The children are playing in the rain. Be careful while walking. Be careful while walking. There is water everywhere. There is water everywhere. The streets are flooded. The streets are flooded. My clothes are soaking wet. My clothes are soaking wet. The rain is getting heavier. The rain is getting heavier. We should wait until the rain stops. We should wait until the rain stops. The wind is very strong today. The wind is very strong today. I can see lightning in the sky. I can see lightning in the sky. We heard loud thunder. We heard loud thunder. The weather is cool and refreshing. The weather is cool and refreshing. Let's have a cup of hot tea. Let's have a cup of hot tea. The rain made the air fresh. The rain made the air fresh. Please close the windows. Please close the windows. The power went out because of the storm. The power went out because of the storm. I enjoy watching the rain from my window. I enjoy watching the rain from my window. We canceled our outdoor plans. We canceled our outdoor plans. The rain has finally stopped. The rain has finally stopped. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky.